trip. They've been cold, so trying to get over that. But it's a gloomy day out, but it's still nice. We're going to Epcot, early hours. About to hit the rides, go to Frozen first. About to head to Norway to ride the Frozen ride. First time ever riding it, so we're pumped.
Come on, let's go and play. Elsa wants to give us all some fun. She's making everyone a snowy summer day. On our stage, I'm selfish and of true love. I'm full of frozen heart. Oh, and now the first time you're here
For my sister's magic night.
Are you ready to see Elsa?
They were born ready. No rules for me. I'm
Exactly!
When life gets rough, I like to hold on to my dream of relaxing in the summer sun.
Just letting off steam.
First we got a little bit of Starbucks to get our energy up. Now we're about to try this deconstructed Reuben sandwich. So I'm really hungry, so I'm excited to dive in.
Yeah.
Take a little bite of this deconstructed Reuben. That's good. Really good taste. I like it. Barbacoa. Let me try this.
Wow.
Ooh.
I think you just eat it. Yeah.
That's good. Currently on Finding Nemo ride in a shell.
Clamshell.
Clamshell.
Mr. Ray, we can't explore without Nemo.
I'm sure we'll see him any minute now.
Nemo!
or is it time to go?
This is all the Japanese candy and the Japan part of Epcot. Probably get some different kind of stuff. Try it out later. Some gummies. A lot of gummy candies. They have green tea Kit Kats. It actually looks pretty good. Oh, no, you're fine. I have no idea what it is, but it literally looks like sweat, so I'm probably not gonna try that one, but got other good drinks. We're at the France portion now of Epcot. I'm gonna try this cheesy bread bowl. Looks pretty good. Let me jump on in here. If you love cheese and bread, it's a treat for you. Alright, so we got transferred to the Coronado Springs Resort. It's a lot better upgrade than our first one, but it's really nice. It's more modern here. We got a king bed. It says, "Welcome, Weaver Party." They got the 2 sliding doors into the bathroom. Oh, yeah, there you go. You got the idea. There's the sinks, double sinks. All little soaps they give you for staying at Disney. A nice bathroom, nice shower in there. Some nice roomy, spacious area. And then this is our view from our room. Nice little courtyard. Makes you feel like you're really staying in Mexico. So yeah, we're excited about this.